AkerScout is a free crop scouting tool that will radically improve your productivity as you walk your fields capturing information like insect, disease, weeds, environmental damage, plant population, and so much more. So let's get started. First, click on Sign Up to create a free account. Enter your information, agree to the terms of service, and that's it. You'll receive an email confirmation with details. Once you log in, you will need to create a farm and add your fields. Click on Create Farm and Field and follow the instructions. You will notice that you need to log in into your desktop application to add farm and fields at discover.aker.ag to select or draw field boundaries. It's just easier on your desktop. Now let's create farm and fields. First, log in into your desktop application at discover.aker.ag. Enter the farm business name. Aker is a crop management platform that supports your entire enterprise, whether it's one farm or more. If you manage one farm, just hit Add Farm now. If this is one of many farms that you manage, you have the option to enter the grower information here. Otherwise, just hit Add Farm. You can create a grower account later on. Now you're ready to create fields. First, enter the field name. Next, enter the location of the field just as if you're typing an address in Google Maps. In this case, we will search by city name. If you're in the US, you will notice that we have preloaded all the CLUs for your convenience. You can select one or multiple polygons delineating your field. Otherwise, you can draw your own field boundaries. Here's how you do this. Select the polygon tool, click on the axis of the field, and then close the polygon by clicking on the first point. Hit Create, and your field is ready. Creating a scouting task in AkerScout is easy. Let's scout the field that we just created. AkerScout treats each field visit as a task. After each task, you will get a full report with all the results. To create a scouting task, go to the Farm tab and click on the Farm and Field. Once you are at the field level, you will notice several options. Let's click on Send Scout. Since this is a new field, you will automatically create a season. Each crop cycle is delineated as a season. You can have one or multiple cycles or seasons per year. Aker supports over 75 crops today, and we continue to add more every day. It is helpful that you select the approximate planting date for this crop. This will come handy later on. If you don't know it, just hit Next Step. You can assign this new task to yourself or add more scouts to your account. You can click on this link, or you can select Account, Manage Users on the top bar to add scouts. Now the scouting task is created and you're ready to walk this field. Tasks that are assigned to you will appear in a to-do list format. To access this, simply select Scout from the top bar. When you have many tasks in this list, you can use the sort option by clicking on the More icon on the top right. To start scouting, click on a task. You will notice that AkerScout tells you how far to drive to your field location, and you can click on Navigation to run your default navigation app. You will notice two icons on the bottom right. One is the Here icon, the top one, which tells you where you are, and the other one is the Field icon at the bottom, which shows you the field location. If you don't see the Here button, then that means that you have not enabled location services for your AkerScout app in your general phone settings. You have several options at the bottom of the screen. These include General Information, Layers, which allows you to change viewing options, and then the Scout button. Let's click on Scout. Each task on AkerScout is a collection of observations or waypoints within the field. Each observation contains information such as photos, agronomic details, and georeference location. Now let's start adding observations. Walk to a location in the field and click Add Observation. Take a picture. Then confirm or move the location if the pin is not exactly in the location that you want. Next, you can search from a database of thousands of environmental and crop conditions. Complete other agronomic details related to this observation. Finally, click on Submit to record this observation. If you want to delete an observation, simply slide it to the left. If multiple scouts are logged in the same account, you can all work at the same time on the same field. This way, you can be more productive coordinating teams across many farms and fields. Continue to walk the field and collect as many observations as you want for this task. When you're ready to finalize your report, just click on Complete Report. Enter some recommendations for your field visit and complete this task. Once you complete this step, a scouting report is automatically generated. Be aware that after you complete the report, you will not be able to make modifications to any observation or recommendations. So be sure to review your work. Let's review your scouting report. You can review all your scouting results and analysis in your mobile app or the web browser. In your mobile app, simply click View, select Farm and Field, then select Report at the bottom. You can view all observations and recommendations. On your web browser, click on Report and you'll see all the detailed observations. AkerScout is the leading scouting app for thousands of users, and we're confident that you will become more productive with it. Make sure to view our video on how to order imagery, which includes agronomy review and directed scouting for all your farm. This will help prioritize in-season crop management actions, such as spraying prescription, zone management, equipment audits, and overall input programming to maximize your yield and profits. Keep your crops healthy with Aker. Thank you.